Hi YouTube and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a glueless tutorial and I will be using hair from Eullairhair company. This hair is a 16-inch frontal 18-20-22 Malaysian deep wave, and I did go ahead and make this a frontal wig prior to this hair video. And here's a clip right here of what this wig looks like and this hair looks like. And this hair is absolutely gorgeous, guys. When I say I actually loved it, because one, I'm a big fan of curly hair, and two, I like hair that looks full. And this hair is giving me exactly what I want and what I be looking for. So like I said, I did go ahead and make a wig off camera, and I attached the elastic band because I wanted this tutorial to be a glueless install. Now for this video, I will be using the mousse method, and it's just a couple of things that I wanted to mention before you guys go like jumping on my case like some of you do, little YouTube trolls. But however, I will be only, what can I say? I will only be laying down the side where I will actually, like the side I will actually be showing. Like, I'm not gonna go ahead and mold this whole thing down because I'm just not going to, pretty much. So I'm gonna really focus on the side that you see me working with now. But I am gonna go ahead and cut the lace off on both sides, and then I will go in my mousse from Apogee that I purchased from my local beauty supply store. So yes, this is how it looks pretty much after I cut the lace. And like I said, I'm only gonna mold down one side because I will only be wearing this hair one way. Now some people may actually be fine with this method because, especially if it's just for temporary wear, this will be perfect for you. So I did go ahead and focus on the side that I'm going to be laying down. Now this is pretty much what it looks like just with the elastic band on. It looks pretty molded down, but I want to make this, you know, just a little more attached because I can still see it lifting a little bit on the side. So I did go in with the Apogee. And like I said, I'm going to work on the area that I'm only going to be molding. So which is like my front, center, and then my right side. So I'm just going to apply that Apogee mousse in those areas. And I'm going to try to form me a little baby hair. You guys know I'm not a big fan of baby hairs, if you don't know that by now, according to my other videos. But I'm just going to make like a little swoopy swoop where my little dip is in a corner, and I'm just going to comb that down. I am going to wet this hair after I get it molded down to where I want it to be. So like I said, I'm just going to take that mousse, form it the way I want it to do, well, the way I want it to lay, and I'm just going to go ahead and take some elastic band right after that, and I'm going to tie that down and let that dry completely. So yeah, that's basically what I'm doing. This video is actually very simple and very easy because the elastic band alone gives you like a tight hold. But like I said, if you wanted to actually get like those sides down, then you might want to go and take, you know, a few extra steps to get the look that you're going for. So I did go ahead and tie that down, and I'm going to blow dry it for about 10 minutes or until it's dry. And then I'm going to move on with the next step. So now that I have blow dried the lace down, I still kept it tied down because I was like, you know what, I got to go ahead and saturate this hair with water. I am using water and a little bit of conditioner, and I am using the Tresemme conditioner. So I did go ahead and pour that conditioner in my water bottle, and I added water and I shook it up, and boom, now you have conditioner water. So now that I wet my hair up, I still did notice that it was still lifting a little bit on the sides, which is not okay for me. Yeah, I know it's glueless, but you know, I have to make this work for me. So I did go in with my black Got To Be gel, and I'm just going to focus on putting that down on like my sideburn area. And now I'm going to go ahead and lay my lace back down and blow dry that until it is dry. And then once that is dry, then I will begin to actually put together the look that I'm going for, which is pretty much like kind of the same way it looks now, but just a little more defined, especially with my curly hair. I love side parts. Very rarely you will catch me with a middle, but I'm more of a side part type of girl. So now that it's dry, and I'm just pretty much showing you how attached it is along with the mousse. When you actually let it dry, it will give you that holding effect that you need. But like I said, I did go in with the Black Got To Be gel on my sideburn to make this a little more stuck towards the end. And this is completely glueless. Like I said, I was not going to lay down the other side because how I wear my hair is just completely unnecessary. So this is pretty much the finishing look. Like I said, guys, this is a easy peasy 1, 2, 3 tutorial, and this is the final look. It looks so pretty, so simple, and so natural. Like, how can you not be mad with that? But thank you guys for watching this video, and stay tuned to I Am Beautiful Hustler channel.